Hello YouTube, this is the mechanism for the 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 gumball machine. Yeah. So I'm going to go to gumball just to show you how it works and stuff. Get a purple one. Don't have much, but okay. So I'll just show you. If this doesn't work well, it means it sometimes gets stuck, but I don't know. Yeah, it didn't get stuck. There it is. Okay. And so yeah, I don't think I can show the mechanism right now, but I'll just try to show. Okay. I'll just click this gumball. If the gumball was inside and this thing got pushed, see, it just gets, see, pushes it down to make it go down. So look, all you have to do is to make it come out. It's really simple. But I was thinking about making one that you needed money to make, but you know, I need like an answer from you. Is it hard? Please, can you comment this and tell me, is it hard to make one with using money? Because I actually once made one, yeah, but it really looks ugly. So I just showed you a video with it, but it does work. This one does not take money, so you know, I know, but it just works better than this. But I like this one looking better because you know, it looks really cool. So as well as like the champagne machine, that one was good, yeah. So I'll make a video on it right now after this video, showing you it, okay? But it's loads of colors because I actually ran out of colors, so yeah. Okay, so see ya.